Thank you to my opportunity given to me. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Firmansyah. I am from 4MB2 class. Now I will presentation my topic with title How to Build a Business. The first, introduction. Issue background. Before starting a business, of course, one must have a plan. Business plan is the first step to running a business, usually consisting of what we do, when and how, to be clearer about the type business to be started, who will become customer, and what product or service to be offered. Purpose of writing: explain how to start a business, explain the step in the start a business, explain the basic of the start a business, explain how when start a small business can be successful. Problem formulation: how to start a small business, what are the steps in the start a business, what are the basic of the start a business, how to start a small business in order to be successful. How to start a business. Find a good business idea. A good business is not just one and turn a profit. Do you market research? One of the best way to figure out whether or not you hit upon a good idea is to get out and start talking to real people. Choose the type of business you want to start. A traditional business is not right for everyone. Test your business idea. How do you really know you hit upon a good idea? How use the land planning methodology to feature this word? How do you really know you have hit upon a good idea? We use the learning planning methodology to figure this out. Read your business plan. If you're seeking funding, bank and investor may ask you for one. Brand new business. A strong brand is the key to customer loyalty and higher sales. Make it legal. Before you can open shop and compatibility start doing business, you have got to make sure you have checked all the necessary boxes. Get financing. If you have worked through your business plan and have a sound handle on your financial, pitching and funding should be breeze. Market and launch your business. A product launch refers to a business plan and coordinate effort to debut a new product to the market and to make the product generally available for purchase. The basic for start business. The business plan. A business plan is also a roadmap to provide direction so a business can plan its future and help avoid bump in the road. Choosing a legal structure. If you are bringing on investor or partner or signing contract, in a good idea to set up a legal structure for your venture. Raising capital. This of time consume and can distract your attention for the business. Prove the concept. Once you are satisfied with the business plan, the next step is to test it. The step in start a business. Register with the government in IRS. You will need to acquire a variety of the business licenses before you can legally operate your business. Purchase an insurance policy. Dealing with incidents such as property damage or even a customer lawsuit can be costly, and you need to be sure that your property protected. Build your team. Unless you are planning to be your only employee, you are going to need to recruit and hit the great team to get your company off the ground. Choose your vendor. Running a business can be overwhelming, and you and your team probably you are going to be able to do it all on your own. Grow your business. Your launch and first sale are only the beginning of you takes an entrepreneur to make a profit and stay afloat. You always need to be growing your business. How and start a small business can be successful. Number 1, ask yourself if you're ready. Number 2, determine what the type of business to start. Number 3, choose a business model. 4, do market research. 5, find a problem to solve. 6, set realistic goal and expectation. 7, get feedback. 8, find a way to pay for your business. 9, pair up with the partner. 10, name your business. 11, register your business. 12, create your first product or service. And the last, closing. Conclusion. To support the progress to starting a business must also to balance with knowledge about the basic and the step beside that after determining the business that we will live in. We must focus on the area that we have determined and not hesitate for the business to run successful. And the next thing to the start the business, not only think about it but must be realized. Suggestion. It shall be as a prospective business actor in the future must use careful preparation both in the term of concept and mentality, not only based on courage when starting so that the business is the build can be successful. That's all. Thank you.